All right, so in this video, we are going to look for the VPN2. So last time we configured the VPN1, now we are going to configure the VPN2. Under the VPN2, we do have only one interface, that is GE0/3 and OSPF template with the area number 1. So this is what we have to configure. So in the last video, if you remember that we already created the OSPF, we already created the gig 0/3, we only need to create the VPN2. So go back to the vManage now, go back to the templates and go back to the feature templates. On the vEdge, I will select the VPN1 and I will copy that one. I will just change it to VPN2. And I will select the VPN2, click on edit. And now I will just change the number now, and that should be done. So the feature templates are ready now. I will go back to the device one. So let's go ahead only. If you see that I do have VPN1 and VPN2 on only 2 devices, that is branch 1 and 4. So I will select the branch 1 and 4, click on edit. Go with the service VPN, click on add VPN. This time I will select the VPN2, click on next. Select the VPN interface OSPF, select gig 0/3, click on add, click on update. And now I have to provide the values for the VPN2. Here I do have the 11.0 network, and that should be edit device template 192.168.11.254/24 GE0/3 area number 1. And here I edit template, so this should be 192.168.14.254/24. Let me confirm that one. Yep, 14. And GE0/3 area number 1. Click on next and configure the device. Confirm that one, click on OK. So once the configuration has been pushed, that means I must be able to communicate from branch 1 LAN 1 to branch 4 LAN 2. So I should be able to communicate between these two. I should be able to see the prefixes on the respective routers and should be able to communicate. Right, it's still pushing. Let me do the refresh. So it's pushing the configuration to the device. All right, so the configuration is being pushed. So if I go back to my branch 1 LAN 2, you see that neighborship is up. Show IP OSPF neighbor and show IP route OSPF. Still, I did not receive any prefixes, but I do have the 14 one. That means I will receive all the prefixes, that is 40 network. So branch 4 LAN 2. Show LAN section OSPF. Okay, you see that it's in the area 0. That is the one I did the mistake over here. So 150, no router OSPF1, and router OSPF1 network will be 0.0. And now that should be good, LAN 2. And I will cross check here, show IP section OSPF. Here the configuration is good, but it was wrong on the branch for LAN 2. And now if I go to branch 1, so if I say that show IP route OSPF, and now I am able to see the prefixes. Right. So if I go to branch 3 LAN, if I say show run section OSPF, it's area 0. Router OSPF1 network will be 00. And now from the branch 1 LAN 2, so if I say that ping 40.1.11.1 with source loopback 0, I am able to ping. So that was the Service VPN, Service VPN 1 and Service VPN 2. So we are now configured both the VPNs. Now the only thing is that we are left with the VPN 2 for the CSR. Let's go ahead and configure that one too now. Going to the template, going to the feature template. I will select CSR. I've already have the VPN 1. So I will select that one. I will copy, make it as a VPN 2 and copy. And after that, I am going to edit that one. And I will just change the VPN number. That's it. So here I will make it as 2 and the name I will change as 2. Click on update and that's all. Now the other interface, that is gig 4. That is the only interface left now. I will search for CSR and I will select the gig 3 and I will copy and I will just make it as gig 4 and copy. And now once the gig 4 is ready, where is that one? Over here. Click on edit. And I will change that interface IP number and here also. That's it. That's the only two changes I need to make. And apart from that, all good. So now that the feature templates are ready, I will go back to the device template, go back to the CSR DC template, click on edit. Go back to the service VPN. And you see that I do not have the VPN 1 because vManage was unable to push the configuration because of that certificate error. So click on add VPN, select the VPN 2, click on next. Select the OSPF, select the VPN interface, and this one should be gig 4. Click on add and update. So here I am using the 192.168.55. So I will edit that template, select 192.168.55.254/24. And here again, the interface name should be Gigabyte Ethernet 4 and the area should be 1. Go next and configure the device. So with this one, we completed the service VPN completely. That means the whole topology is now a mesh topology. So that means all the VPNs within the VPN 1 are able to communicate within VPN 1 and VPN 2. I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you on the next one.